Hey, what's up? TROY, the maker, checking in. And this is my first video of 2022. Happy New Year. And today, I'm going to share 5 simple things to laser engrave on with the settings that I use and where I got them from, so you can start selling them ASAP, because who don't like extra money? The first item on the list is silicone Apple Watch bands. Just about everybody got an Apple Watch, or you know someone that has an Apple Watch. At the time of recording this video, I get a pack of 6 silicone watch bands for $18. And they are selling on Etsy right now between $8 and $23 per custom engraved band. This is a little jig that I made to hold the Apple Watch in place while they are engraving. If you don't know how to make a jig like this, just go on Etsy and search Apple Watch band SVG file and purchase you one. The settings I use to engrave on this Apple Watch band is 900 speed, 90% power, and 340 lines per inch. A little water plus a toothbrush, a little brushing, and you got yourself a custom Apple Watch silicone band for sale. Extra money. Next we have custom Slate coasters. Now I got these coasters out of Michaels, or if you can't find them at Michaels, I got an Amazon link in my description. At the time of recording this video, these Slate coasters cost $3.50, and they are selling on Etsy right now between $8 and $25 per set of coasters. All you have to do before you engrave your design on these coasters is rub a little mineral oil on it, and then you're ready to engrave. The settings I use for these coasters is 900 speed, 50% power, and 270 lines per inch. And you have some custom engraved Slate coasters for sale. Extra money. Next we have bamboo cutting boards. Now I like engraving on cutting boards. They look really good once you get the engrave on it. These cutting boards can go for anybody that loves to cook, or they can go for somebody that don't know how to cook. And the cutting boards that I got, they come in a set of 3. They got like a small, medium, and large, and I got them off of Amazon for $17. And they are selling on Etsy right now between $17 and $50 each cutting board. And the settings that I use for these cutting board, 1000 speed, 100% power, 270 lines per inch. And then you got yourself a custom cutting board for sale. Extra money. Next thing on the list is a Zippo Lighter. And I got this Zippo Lighter off of Amazon for $15. And they are selling on Etsy right now between $30 and $80 per custom engraved Zippo Lighter. But how I did this Zippo Lighter, I used the trace function in Glowforge. Basically what I did was trace my name on a piece of a paper, put it in the Glowforge, trace my design, and added my signature to the Zippo Lighter. And the settings that I use for this is 1000 speed, 100% power, 270 lines per inch. And you got yourself a nice little custom Zippo Lighter for sale. Extra money. And the last thing on this list, custom foldable table. Now it might be a little bit hard to find this table, but I found these tables out of Target for $5. And you put a custom engrave on it, you can sell these tables anywhere from $40 to $50. Or you can sell it for more than that if you want, depending on who you selling it to. But the settings that I use for this is 1000 speed, 100% power, 340 lines per inch. And you got yourself a nice custom foldable table. Extra money. 5 simple things to engrave on to make some extra money. So let me know in the comments right now what you think, or have you already used some of them to make extra money? Let me know in the comments. We can have a whole little conversation about it. But if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and I'll see y'all in the next project. Let's go make something else.